Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 17th January 2021. Today is Sunday, and right now I'm here at my terrace. Just wanted to show you the old shoes that I've restored after washing it. So this is my very old UCB United Colors of Benetton shoes, and after wearing it many months and many years, the shoes became very old, and few days back I washed the shoes and restored it with the help of few markers, and now the shoes are looking really nice. Yeah, huh? So thumbs up to my shoes restoration project.